Hello there, beautiful people, and welcome back again to On How channel. For people that don't know, my name is Anas. I'm working for you. So if you have any questions in the video request, make sure to drop on below in a comment. I will be happy to make a video for you. And for people that do know, welcome back. Please be a witness for that because I made over 200 videos on Shopify customizations, and they were mostly requested by you guys. I mean subscribers. Some people not even subscribers, but I'm fine with that. I still make the video for them. So don't hesitate. If you have any video requests, just drop me a comment below. I will be happy to make a video for you and you don't have to subscribe. Or actually, maybe now you should consider subscriber, because if you don't, you lose. Why is that? Because this is a very different chapter on this channel. I usually share small customizations, but now I will be sharing complete sections, highly customizable, so you can make your Shopify store very professional without having to pay those extra expensive Shopify teams and paying monthly for those Shopify apps, so you can have a widget or section on your Shopify store. Or I'll give you a better deal. Scroll down the channel, check out the videos and the sections, and I'll let you decide. I respect your decision. But in this video, I will show you how to add interactive payment icons below the checkout button on the cart page for your Shopify store. And without any more talking, let's just jump to it. As you can see, by the way, this is Shopify down theme. So I always start with completely blank theme, nothing on it. And each video I add small things, so by the video 70 or 80, the theme will be completely different. But now, because it's a different chapter, I will reach the same level and way better level just by 30 or 40 videos maximum. And why is that? Here is an example. For example, this carousel right here, reviews carousel, it's all-in-one reviews that will show reviews from multiple sources including Facebook, Google, Amazon, and Etsy, all in one place. And it's filterable. Actually, if I click on Google, it will only show me the reviews for Google. If I click on Facebook, only the reviews from Facebook, and so on for Amazon and Etsy. And if I click on all reviews, it will show me all the reviews. And this is highly customizable. Check out the video for it and you will see. But what I shared lately is this one right here. Oh, just gone. Now it will be back. Come on, here it is. This is the push notifications for the latest sales on your Shopify store by using your own code. No applications involved. Your own code that will actually add push notifications on your Shopify store, and you can pick which corner you want them. Top right, bottom left. And it also has the same glass morphism effect. Oh, oops. You see this pop-up again? This is the pop-ups that shows up once you're trying to close the page. And I also add this by using your own code. Check out the channel again for the millionth time. But let me access the cart page so you can see what I'm talking about. So we will add the payments icon here, interactive payment icon. Once you hover over them, they will actually show a shine effect and they will interact. It will make them bigger and get lifted. So let's just do that. So the first thing you're going to do, access Shopify dashboard. If you're already in Shopify dashboard, click on online store, then themes, then click on the three dots on left of customize and click on edit code. It will take you to the code editor for your Shopify theme. After that, on the left panel right here, you will see a bunch of files in here. We need to find a specific folder, this one right here where it says snippets. Simply click on it, then it will be expanded with the first option is add new snippet. That's exactly what we need again. Click on add new snippet, it will show you this prompt and simply name it payment dash icons and make sure to add an S at the end. I mistyped it. Payment is within a here. Payment dash icons. Then click on done. And after that, to paste in the code in order to show the interactive notifications, simply scroll down the description box and you will see a link from my website, completely free again. Click on it, then download the file. And after that, open the file with any text editor on your computer and simply copy the whole code inside it by using Ctrl-A to select the whole thing, then simply paste it in here. It will look like this, as you can see. Then after that, click on the save button. It's very short code, as you can see. It's only like 200, almost 200 lines. And after it will save it, now we're almost done because we need to get another file again. And this time, you will not add it. It's already available on your store. Or actually, just stay on the website, my website that you did download the file from. Let me access it now. This one right here, scroll a little bit. This is the file right here. So just select it and copy it. I know people are lazy these days, so just copy the name for it. Then after that, get back in here and paste it at the search bar at the top left corner. Simply paste it in here and here we go. Main-cart-footer.liquid. Make sure it ends with .liquid. Click on it and after that, scroll all the way down. Not all the way, just 128. I repeat, 128. This section right here where you see end for. This is exactly what we need. End for at 128. So after you find it, click front of it just like this, then hit enter on your keyboard to create a new space below it so we can paste in our code. And we're gonna get that code again from my website. As you can see, just one line. Select the code in here, copy it, get back in here, paste it in the space that we create, then click on the save button, wait for a couple of seconds, we get back to the cart page, reload the page, and see the magic happens. Check it out. And it's actually interactive. As you can see, once I hover over them, they get lifted and they have this shine effect, as you can see, which is way better than having a blank payment icons. They do not move. This one moves. So move to and hit that like button, because right now I think my job is done. So if you have any questions, make sure to drop one below, and I'll see you in the next one.